Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show and demo for determining the speed from an video by using the YOLO. The speed of the vehicles, that is with the object detection we are also going to determine the speed of the vehicles. So for that initially we are going to make this demo in Python only. In Python, as you know, we have done with initially we have to import the library. So the libraries which we are using here include CV2, numpy, etc. So that we have imported, and then we are calling the YOLO v3 CFG file and also the weight file, and then we are reading it, and then we are getting the layer names and also the output layers also we are getting. Then we are loading the video. The input video which we are using here is this. So this is the input video which we are going to find the speed of every vehicle. So here you can see. In this input video we are going to find the what is the speed of the vehicles per kilometer per hour. So actually we have run this code previously itself, because the video is itself, you can notice it is nearly 1 minute video. So you may know that it will take some time to just um, find out the values, that is find out to run. So already we have run, so that values you can see here. Now the speed is going on. The speed may vary since it is from one location to other location, it is varying, so only you can't see the speed very obvious. But once we are freezing in a frame means you can just see it somewhat clear. So this is the output which we will be getting. For that we are just using the input image, and then we are getting its height, width, and by using the video writer we are just displaying in the output video. The output video we are naming as output.mp4, and for that also we are calling the height, width, and other parameters and all. So then we have to find the frame. So in a video, you may know that in a video initially every image it will be converted to a different frame. Since it is an 1 minute, more than 1 minute video, it will have many different frames. For each frame we will calculate what is the vehicle coming and what is the speed of it. For to determine the speed, and here also we are using the blob analysis, YOLO blob analysis, to find the details. And then we have to we have to also find out some other variables like scores, then its class ID, center, x, y, and wh, that is width and height. Then we have to give a formula for speed by using the different other parameters, formulas like distance, fps, then previous height, etc., previous height, etc. So then based on that, the previous frame we will be for each frame we will be writing, and then we will be making it into call into an output video. And finally this is the code for determining the speed of the video by using YOLO v5. So in the other video we will make some other demos based on some different languages such as Python, MATLAB, Peka, etc. Thank you.